Welcome back. Goa Police is still suspecting a security threat to the surviving kids of murdered couple Shivaji and Sujata Nayak. PI of Collem Police Station has recommended to send both the kids to state protective home rather than handing them over to the relatives. After killing parents Shivaji and Sujata Nayak, accused duo had also attempted to kill both the kids. Meanwhile, investigating teams scanned Raibandar area and recovered a robe and a t-shirt used during the crime. Another accused, Osman Fernandez, has been admitted to the hospicio after he complained of giddiness and chest pain.
While talking to Prudent Media, PI of Collem Shivaji said it will be better to send both the kids of deceased couple Shivaji and Sujata Nayak to the state protective home as they still face a security threat. Shivaji also said that relatives of the kids are very poor, so they may not be able to take care of the kids properly and sustain pressures.
Presently, we are handing out to the Apnagar because family members are very poor and they weren't able to take care of the kids, but the security also. So they also they have no problem to hand over the kids to the Apnagar.
Collem Police on Sunday handed over the body of Sujata Nayak to the brother of deceased for performing last rites. But all Goa Police have not handed over the body of Shivaji Nayak as no direct relative has come to claim his body. Devendra Gard, PI of Old Goa, said that probably body will be handed over on Monday after getting consent from Shivaji Nayak's father.
So actually what happens, some relatives have come from the female side. Yeah. And they said the relative of the man, that means Shivaji is not there. So I send to verify along with the relative in the hometown. I got information. Yeah. That boy's side father is very sick and he is a bedridden type. We are intimated him, we are intimate local position and we are like to take the authority from him to hand over the body to the father-in-law.
Meanwhile, on Sunday during the course of investigation, investigating teams scanned Raibandar area along with accused Ramesh Bagwe and recovered the rope which was used to commit the crime. Police also recovered Ramesh's shirt from the creek. Ramesh Bagwe had confessed that he had thrown his own shirt in the creek after the killing.
पहिले आमचे ओल्ड गोवाची गाडी येवन घेवन सगळे पहिले सोदपा लागले फारूक घालपाक फारूक मेळना जालें शर्ट मागीर हांव सकयल देवलो आनी फुडें सोदीत गेलो त्या वॉल्ताचेर गावले शर्ट ओल्ड गोवाची ग्रूप येयले न्हू तांकां पयलींच गोरी मेळ्ळी आसली.
Another accused, Osman Fernandez, was admitted in the hospital on Saturday when he complained of giddiness. Police said his condition is stable now. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Chetan Gauss for Prudent.
NGO in Madgaon has threatened to file a contempt of court plea against the lawbreakers in Holy Spirit Feast Fair matter. The High Court had ordered no erection of stalls on footpaths along the roadside, but on the feast day, the fair traders violated the order and municipal authorities allowed it. Purumetache Fest was celebrated with pomp and gaiety on Sunday in Madgaon.
Have a look at these stalls erected near the Ravindra Bhavan in Margaon. The municipality had clearly directed the municipal inspector not to allow any stall on the roadside or on the footpath. But the scene here is different. General Secretary of United Goans Welfare Front doubts of corrupt practice.
But it looks like 100% other setting. Municipality, municipal council, municipal chairperson, municipal chief officer, yes, sogle person jenna meeting घेतल्या आणि the minutes of the meeting आम्ही मागले already regarding specially घेतलेली regarding this fair. जरा आतून म्हाका full दिसता की कितें तरी ताचे उपरांत कितें जाला पळय ते सगळे setting म्हणून.
Despite of High Court order not to obstruct the pedestrian way and flow of traffic, the traders have freely erected their stalls. Earlier, it was decided that the furniture stalls would be at the Suda area, but the furniture stalls are seen along the roadside.
This order ji dila by chief officer, it looks like it is having no meaning and it is totally like a blind world. Amche authorities they are all sleeping on this order. So atun ki reha आता आम्ही जरा ऑलरेडी सांगलेलंच हा की आम्ही कंटेम्प्ट पिटिशन फायल करतले कमिंग वीक म्हाका दिसता आमचे ते कंटेम्प्ट पिटिशन आम्ही फायल करतलेच इन द हाय कोर्ट आनी हाचेर सारकी स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन जावपाक जाय.
Holy Spirit Feast was celebrated in Margao amidst controversy of fest fair. The feast is also known as the Purumentache Fest. People were seen purchasing sweets, dry fish, spices and other commodities.
Dormik परब ती आमची आनी धर्मीक परब जेन्ना आमी एक व्हडलो घडणी घडली जेजूच्या जिवितांत मेले उपरांत ताणें म्हणलें आपूण एकटो पवित्र आत्मो धाडटलो जाचे वरवीं तुमचें मन उजवाडाक येतलें तुमकां गिन्यान मेवतलें जाणबाय मेवतली काळजीदारपण मेवतलें आनी हे भाशेन तुमी शांती कुशालकाय जोडटले. आतां पुरमेंताची परब जावन आसा आमकां तोंड गोड करूंक हो पावस येता म्हूण कित्याक आमी.
Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
It's a relief for LPG consumers in Goa. Goa will have 10 more outlets of LPG cylinders. The Hindustan Petroleum and Bharat Petroleum will appoint 10 distributors in state, 5 distributors in North Goa and another 5 in South Goa.
The 10 more distributor agencies have been equally divided in 2 districts of Goa, 5 in North Goa and 5 in South Goa. In North Goa, Diwar, Chimbel, Anjuna, Arpara and Harlan will get new agencies, while in South Goa, Veli, Kepe, Poingini, Darbanoda and Collem will get new gas dealers. The difficulties faced by the consumers through the distributors will now be eased. Meanwhile, enforcement of LPG subsidy in bank account scheme has been deferred. The scheme will be enforced in North Goa from 1st June. The government will start transferring cash into the bank accounts of consumers of subsidized LPG from 1st June. The scheme will be compulsory for all from 1st September. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.